Just doing an unboxing, hopefully a quick one, and give you a quick review as well, an unprofessional review. This is for my son. He bought the mouse, but he already took that out, and I'll leave the link below for that mouse, and he bought it as a pair, and I'll give you his opinion on the actual device itself. Unprofessional opinion, as we just regular people. We try things out, buy them, and sometimes do videos on them. Yeah, a lot of times, I guess. This is the back. Pretty cool looking. I'm not a big gamer looking keyboard type of guy. I just like that it works. I'm not a wireless person as well. I just like that it does what it has to do. I used to be a big gamer back in the day, Duke Nukem days, but I just don't have the time. I have kids, and I don't have the time. I mean, hopefully one day I will have the time. It just takes up a lot of time, and it's nice. It's kind of euphoric, if I'm using the right word, getting lost in the digital world. And that was pretty cool. I enjoyed doing that. Just get lost. It was pretty cool. But just doing a quick measurement of the box. Cool keyboard up. Be careful with these. I think it's really bad for animals, so dispose of these properly. Over here, these are one of the first things I look for. The connection dongle thing. So the keyboard one is black. The mouse one is white. I should reword that. That little Corsair thing right there in the middle, it's white. The black is still around, but that little boat-looking thing, it looks like boats to me, like a sail, is white on the mouse. So on the keyboard is black. Close-up look at it. Tiny, and sometimes people can't see it in there, and they've in the past I've gone to their home to help them, and I asked them for this, and they have no idea, and they threw away the box. So look for this first. Keep this safe. Do not lose this, because then you have to buy it again. I think, you know, like I have some for my Logitech keyboards, and I've lost them. And they on special, you can get them for $5. Most of the time, it's $10 or $15 if it's an emergency. So I don't know how much these are. So let me take out. Oh, that's a really nice looking USB-C. And then the keyboard. Information, warranty information. Oh, and the key. This thing. Nothing else. Nothing else in it. Okay. Now, this is pretty much everything that comes inside that you're gonna need. about a little over an inch with the key. And let me just weigh it, just in case you're curious. You're gonna carry it around or something. That's it. Let me so this is the setup. I have it plugged in, charging it for now with a USB hub. And then I'll let him try it out. And it's magnetic here. Cool. See that? The wrist rest. Cool looking. So let me do a close-up look of everything you get. How it looks. I'll do the top first. Let me turn off the light. This is a better view. And with the software, you're able to make all kinds of different changes. The volume knob. And these are the different settings with the receiver. The power, I guess I don't know, I have it, I think he sets it at, I think he set it at power to charge. And it's Bluetooth, it looks like. Okay. USB-C. Cable. On the bottom, you get these little legs. Okay. This is cool. I don't know what type of material. All right, let him use it for a little bit, and then we'll ask him his opinion. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's measure the USB-C cable. Nice USB-C cable that they give you. Pretty cool. And you could use it connected to the PC or disconnect it through USB and do it wirelessly to connect to the dongle or through Bluetooth. So Bluetooth, connect to the dongle or plug in the USB-C cable and it'll work. And that's the middle, I believe, setting that'll do that. And this is almost 6 feet long. Almost. Nice cable. Okay, so it's been, how long did you buy this from Best Buy? About 2 months ago? About 2 months ago. And this is the pad. Really nice looking. What are these? Are these like sailboats?
That's the Corsair logo.
Okay. And this is the Corsair mouse that you enjoy as well, wirelessly, right?
Mm-hmm.
And how did you like the keyboard and the mouse?
I love the keyboard and the mouse. I love how they're wireless. I love all the features on the keyboard, the volume button, the controls for the lights on the keyboard, and the little resting pad for your forearms.
Okay, it's pretty cool. And let me just show people. So like I told you, this one is, just in case you're wondering, for the mouse. This one is for the keyboard. See, this one's white, this one's black. So he bought the trifecta. He also bought the headset. How do you love the whole combination?
I love the whole combination. I think the headset's really cool. I love all the features that it comes with.
Ease of use?
Very easy of use.
And very
It took me
blinkety.
5 minutes to set this all up.
Okay, and okay. And you're no regrets.
No regret.
All right, so this is, I'll leave all the links below. I was only able to do the unboxing here because we already had these. So I will just leave the link below. This is our unprofessional review from newbies. That's okay, right?
Yeah.
And we enjoy it. We love Corsair. I have Corsair memory, but not actual Corsair keyboard or mouse. But my son loves them, loves the lights, loves the setup, loves the keyboard, loves the headset, and we will be just leaving, this goes up and down the mic, right? The mic goes up and down? Oh, very flexible, okay. Just our own professional review, unprofessional review. Okay, that's all I have to say. Please ask any questions below, and I'll ask my son, and I'll reply back to you. Anything else?
That's all.
Okay. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.